Hello, little dreamers. Tonight I have a very special story for you. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered where the stars come from? Well, our story begins far, far away in the land of twinkling stars and glowing moons. Once upon a time, in the vast night sky, there lived a little star named Stella. Stella was unlike any other star. She was curious, adventurous, and always wanted to shine brighter than all the other stars. Every night, she would twinkle proudly, lighting up the darkest corners of the sky. One evening, while Stella was playing with her star friends, she noticed something strange. The biggest, brightest star in the sky, known as the North Star, was not shining as brightly as usual. Stella felt worried. What if the North Star is in trouble, she thought. Without hesitation, Stella decided to leave her spot in the sky and go on an adventure to find out what was wrong. She soared across the sky, zipping past the moon, shooting stars and clouds, until she reached the North Star. When Stella arrived, she saw that the North Star was sad and tired. "What's wrong?" Stella asked gently. The North Star sighed. "I've been guiding travelers for so long, but I'm losing my light. I need help." Stella knew she had to do something. She might be small, but she was brave. She decided to share a piece of her own light with the North Star. Slowly, she took a part of her twinkling glow and gave it to the North Star. As soon as she did, the North Star began to shine brighter and brighter, lighting up the entire sky once again. But something magical happened. Stella didn't lose her light. In fact, she became even brighter, and her bravery made her shine like never before. From that day on, Stella was known as the brightest, most courageous star in the sky, and every night she would twinkle proudly next to the North Star, guiding everyone below and reminding them that even the smallest star can make a big difference. Thank you for listening, little dreamers. Remember, even when you feel small, your kindness and courage can light up the world. See you in the next story. The story of the lost star and the night sky teaches children that even the smallest acts of kindness and bravery can make a big difference. Through Stella's journey to help the North Star, kids learn that being kind and selfless is important, and that helping others can make them shine even brighter. It shows that courage doesn't come from being big or strong, but from having the heart to do what's right. Most importantly, the story reminds children that they each have the power to make the world a better place, no matter how small they may feel.